So this pizza is called Crazy Crust Pizza. Okay, so we're gonna start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And then it calls for 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. We're gonna do this a little differently. We are going to use Rectex Colden's Freakin' Greek for the seasoning in place of the Italian seasoning and the salt. And we did just 1 teaspoon of that. Okay, next it's gonna be 2 eggs. And then we have 2/3 of a cup of milk. And you just mix this together. So this is already mixed up. I've got a couple of skillets here that we're gonna just pour this batter into. It makes a thinner crust, which is exactly what Sean and I like.
So we're making 2. We're gonna make a, what kind of pizzas are we having?
We're going to have a meat and veggie with salami and pepperoni, and then we're going to have a pulled pork pizza because we made pulled pork earlier this week, so we're going to use some of the leftovers to make one of those.
Go ahead.
We poured the crust in. It covers completely the bottom of the pan, and you can see how thin it is. It really does just look like pancake batter. So now this is the crazy part. So when you're making this crust, you put, if you're gonna be putting meat on the pizza, you go ahead and put that on now before you bake it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the pepperoni on.
We're meeting it up, baby.
So I think we're just gonna go with pepperoni on this one.
And veggies.
And veggies, yeah. But the veggies won't go on yet. So this one is going to be the pulled pork. Okay, so here is the pulled pork, and we're gonna put these in the oven or put these on the grill. It's 425 is the temperature you're supposed to bake these at for about 20 minutes. We've discovered whenever we're baking on our pellet grill that we need to reduce the temperature. So we're gonna try these at 385 and see if that's a good temperature for them.
All right, we're out here at Ferdinand. We'll set the pizzas on there. And how long are we gonna wait, Amber?
20 minutes is what it's supposed to be. We're gonna come check these after 15.
All right, we're out here at Ferdinand. It's been about 15 minutes. Let's open it up, Amber, take a look.
We're gonna take these off and bring them inside to put the rest of the toppings on and the sauce. Okay, so we've got the pizza brought back in here, and see how it's cooking up really good, not sticking to the pan at all. So now we're going to put our sauce and our toppings on. Sean and I do not like a lot of sauce, so I'm going to put this on very sparingly.
What kind of veggies are we putting on?
We have bell pepper. All right, and then we've got some onion. And next, we have some baby bella mushrooms. Okay, so the cheese that I'm putting on here is whole milk mozzarella. All right, that looks amazing.
Now we'll put on the glove and switch it out.
Yes. Okay, so now we have the pulled pork. So we are going to put Blues Hog Champions Blend barbecue sauce as the sauce for this one. So we'll throw some onions on here. Do you want to put some bell pepper on this?
We sure can.
We have a little bit left, might as well.
Cheese it up, Amber.
All right, I think that looks delicious. It's time to put these back on Ferdinand, and we'll put them on for about 10 minutes, and they should be ready.
All right, we got the pizzas off of Ferdinand. We brought them back in. How do they look, Amber?
They look delicious.
That's the pulled pork. And then this
is the pepperoni.
Yes, this is the pepperoni. So guess what? I say Let's cut some pizza up and have a few slices because everything's better together.